This special is being brought to you by New Pantene Smooth and Silky, Smart, and Nido Fortified, and in part by Nescafe Frutte and Growy Syrup.
Smart constantly innovates to improve the lives of its millions of subscribers. Smart Z turns your cell phone into almost anything you want it to be. Smart IDD keeps you in touch with your loved ones abroad.
Oh, Maggie!
So be a part of the smart world, simply the widest.
Smart!
Simply amazing!
Making wonders for tomorrow's generation.
You're big. He's small. But when it comes to food, his need for nutrients is almost 3 times bigger. Starting 10 months, give him new Nestle rice meals, loaded with 19 essential micronutrients. Other foods may not give as much. New Nestle rice meals. Big nutrition for baby's big needs.
Ate, naiwan ko yung game mo.
Erico, hirap matulog. Rina, pilaw ah. Thanks, Ma. Ate, tagal pa ba? Laro ka ulit. Oh, baka gutom kayo.
Kahit hindi mo pa sabihin, alam ni Mami kung anong dadalhin. Gaya ng Presto Creams. Creamy and delicious sandwich cookies in 3 favorite flavors. Chocolate, vanilla, and peanut butter.
Sana kasama si Mac.
Tama na muna ang sayaw. Usap tayo ng masinsinan. Have you heard of growth gap? From birth to 4 years, mabilis lumaki ang mga bata. But during school age, bumabagal. Yan ang growth gap. Kaya kailangan ng superior nutrition. At pagdating sa nutrition, walang powdered filled milk na tatalo dito. Alaska. I want Kiana to be taller and smarter with the help of Alaska. Pero sa dancing, mas magaling ako. During the growth gap years, wala pa rin tatalo sa Alaska.
You above all, Cebu Pacific, now flying you to Hong Kong.
Tayo na sa Jollibee! Pwede ba kami? Laruan man o libro, luma man o bago, pwede iregalo.
Wow! Ang dami nga! Maraming batang nangangailangan ang matutuwa sa regalo nyo. Magdala na sa Jollibee ng mga laruan at libro.
Sa Jollibee, masaya at maagang paso.
So, let's talk about color and lipstick and how you can't have too much of a good thing. Let's talk about mascara and how men fall for doe eyes and rich red lips. Oh, enough about them. Let's talk about us and how we need color and thrive on change and just have to have an Avon lady. Someone you're at home with. Someone who understands which pressed powder is just right for you. Let's talk color and this season and getting by with a little help from our friends. Let's talk Avon. Ma, para!
Ang mga pang-aabing ginawa mo, babalik rin sa'yo. Ang mga mapagmataas, isang araw, luluhod.
Pag ilan makikiusap ako. Ang naloo, balik mo na sa akin ang asawa ko. Halikan mo pa ako.
Huwag palampasin ang bumabaliktad na mundo ng Ikaw Lang Ang Mamahalin. Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alas 8 ng gabi sa GMA.